Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Andrew Nakas here, and I'm back with another VR dev vlog blog about the VRADCAD product that I'm working on. Kind of the idea is with this product, I just want to showcase my dev process. And so the first video, I went over kind of where I was at with this like early alpha, and then I didn't have a whole lot of time to work on the product. This is just the first day after, but I did add like a couple notable, I think, important UX features that were pretty easy to implement. And so I'm just going to talk a little bit about them. Hopefully, this weekend I'll be able to tackle some of the larger, bigger features that I think are necessary for an open beta. But yeah, let's dive into VR and chat about the kind of three main features I brought in. So I guess just loading it up. I guess the first thing that you notice is that my VR controller, the sphere, is actually a lot smaller, and this adds precision when you can make quads. And this is, I guess, a really minor feature, but I changed the quad mesh from like a bad grid mesh to now a more kind of solid mesh. And so I think this looks a little bit better. Ideally, there'll be like a color picker. And then I also added the feature to go in and actually turn on wireframing. So I think this is really exciting because it allows people to like visualize and work with, the backsides of faces really easily. And so they can go in and like adjust things really easily. And then I guess lastly, the last big feature that I added was I noticed in user testing, one of the hardest things was selection was very hard to work with. So I went in, and this was a glitch and just bad code on my end, but I went in and fixed the checks to make sure you need to append stuff, and I made it work pretty much most of the time. There's a couple small reasons why it still won't work that I'm going to be nailing out. And also like deleting meshes when I go in and a mesh gets small enough, I can then delete it. And so that selection will also be a lot better. So that's kind of the basis of where I'm at with this right now. The kind of the idea is there's like big features that I want to add, but then there's a lot of small features. And these small features are like really small wins that I can do that like can make my app significantly better right now. And currently, like, there's a lot of really easy ones to do. So I just got to keep on making progress, and I'm excited to see where this goes. Thanks. Peace.